Today we're going to talk about different metal types, white, yellow, rose gold, and platinum, and which is the right metal for you and your project. So there's a lot of literature online about what the differences are and the pros and cons for 14K, 18K, platinum. And the truth of the matter is that every jeweler has their own preferences, and there are pros and cons to all of these metals. So when we're talking about gold, 24 karat gold is the purest form. And while it's a beautiful metal, it is extremely soft. And for engagement rings, for example, that take a lot of wear and tear, it would be too soft to use. So jewelers have other materials that they use in place of 24 karat gold. So there's 14 karat, 18 karat, platinum. These are some of the common alternatives. The difference between 14, 18, and 24 karat is the gold content. So the more gold, the softer the material. 14 karat, for example, is going to be the most durable because it has the least gold content compared to other alloys that are mixed in. So what makes rose gold versus yellow versus white is what other metals are combined with the gold content to give it that color. So rose gold has copper in it, and that's what gives it that orangey pinkness. And white gold has nickel sometimes and palladium, and that gives it the white tone. The last thing to talk about is platinum. So there are reasons that jewelers don't like to work with platinum. And one of them is that it does scratch fairly easily compared to white gold. However, it is better at actually holding in center stones, so you can feel a little bit more secure that your stone is not going to go anywhere versus an 18K setting. Platinum is also a nickel-free material, so in terms of allergies, most people will not have any allergic reaction to platinum, whereas white gold does have nickel and rose gold has copper, and some people can react to those metals. So white gold or platinum are definitely the most traditional metals to use for bridal. I'll say that the reason platinum or white gold is used traditionally is because really it makes the diamonds look their best. You'll see that you kind of just see diamond when you're looking at something that's white gold or platinum versus something yellow or rose where you do see that warmth of tone. And in the case of an engagement ring, that can be a negative factor because the yellow or rose can contribute some color to your center stone. That being said, if you are selecting a center stone that's a little bit lower down in the color grade, these colored metals can sort of play to your benefit because they disguise some of the yellow that's in those stones, and then it becomes this mind trick. Is the yellow coming from the metal or is it coming from the stone itself? I think if you're struggling to pick a metal, platinum is definitely your safest bet. You don't have to worry that in 5 to 10 years you'll get sick of it, but I do think all of them sort of serve their own purpose. I think rose and yellow can elevate a very classic design to feel a little bit more modern. I think at the end of the day, you should focus more on what color you like and not so much which material will be used. There's a reason that your jeweler will choose to use 14K, 18K, or platinum where applicable. So I would trust the professionals in that case and just sort of guide them on what color feels right for you.